Understanding Capital Gains, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to discuss an important financial term, capital gains. This concept is widely used in finance and economics. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used in everyday language. Capital gains refer to the profit that an individual makes from selling an asset like stocks, bonds, property, or even valuable items like art or antiques. The key point here is that the asset is sold for more than it was originally bought for. For example, if you buy a painting for $100 and sell it later for $150, your capital gain is $50. Capital gains can be of two types, short-term and long-term. Short-term capital gains are from assets held for a year or less before selling, while long-term gains are from assets held for more than a year. This distinction is important for tax purposes, as many countries tax these two types of gains differently. The phrase, capital gains, isn't just for financial experts. It's often used in news about the economy, in discussions about investments, and even in personal finance planning. Knowing this term helps in understanding financial news and making informed decisions about investments. An important aspect of capital gains is the capital gains tax. This is a tax levied on the profit from selling an asset. The rate of this tax can vary based on the type of gain, short-term or long-term, and the individual's tax bracket. It's a significant topic in discussions about investments and tax planning. That's all about capital gains. We hope this video helps you understand this important financial concept. Remember, understanding terms like capital gains is not just about expanding your English vocabulary, but also about enhancing your financial literacy. Stay tuned for more videos, and happy learning!